Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install the OxyMade plugin for the new Oxygen V6 and how to import designs. Let's jump into the WordPress dashboard. Before we get started, make sure you have the 3 required Oxygen plugins installed and activated: Oxygen V6, Breakdance Elements, and Breakdance Forms. Now, let's install the OxyMade plugin. Head over to the OxyMade dashboard. Here we have 2 OxyMade versions available for download, one for the new Oxygen V6 and another for Oxygen Classic. For this tutorial, I'm downloading the Oxygen V6 compatible version. Click the download button and copy your license key. Now jump back to the WordPress dashboard and install the OxyMade plugin. Choose the OxyMade zip file we just downloaded, then click Install Now and Activate. Now, let's go to OxyMade, enter the copied license key and click Activate. In the next step, we need to select a design set. Let's go with the Layers design set. In the next step, the selected design set settings will be installed. Click Complete Setup Now to skip the step-by-step process. Now the wait is over. Let's head over to Pages and click Edit in Oxygen. Now, to copy designs, head over to the OxyMade dashboard. Let's start with blocks, so click Blocks. As of now, we have 600 plus blocks and 74 templates for Oxygen V6, and we're adding new blocks and templates every week. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll likely have even more available. Let's go with the CTA35 block. Copy and paste the block into the Oxygen Builder using the keyboard shortcut Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. Unfortunately, Safari doesn't support cross-site paste, so you'll need to use another browser like Chrome or Firefox. The block is imported successfully and looks perfect across all responsive breakpoints. The new Oxygen V6 uses a class-first styling approach, so OxyMade designs follow the same methodology. For example, this heading uses the heading neutral class for its color and the MB6 class for its 24-pixel bottom margin. And this text element contains classes for text color, font size, bottom margin, and font weight. Just like this, every element is designed using OxyMade framework classes. Now, let's delete this and import a template page design. Let's go to the OxyMade dashboard to change the default design set. Click Change Design Set, and let's select the Skyla Template Design Set. Here you can see the changes that the Skyla Template Design Set will apply, including colors, font sizes, font families, and more. As mentioned in the info box, some settings need to be reinstalled after changing the design set. To avoid the manual step-by-step process, simply click Complete Setup button. Now, let's jump into the OxyMade website to copy the Skyla page. You can go to the Templates page and open the template you need, or simply go to the Pages page and select the template using the filter. Here, I've selected the Skyla template. Let's copy the home page by clicking the Copy button, and paste it into the builder using the keyboard shortcut, and ta-da! The page has been imported successfully. Let's check it out on the front end. The page looks perfect, with all the scroll animations working as expected. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.